Hello everyone, happy to see you here and welcome back to my channel Brain Logic. Really interesting question today. We have 10 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 1. Of course, as you can see, this is like the easiest question you've ever seen. It looks like that. We have only subtraction, division. We have not like a huge number. We don't have like a huge number like thousands, hundreds right here. We have only numbers that we really great to know about it. We have 10, 6, 2 and 1. This is not like a huge number. We don't have any parentheses. We don't have any powers right here. So it's like a regular, easy and regular question, so everyone learns this stuff in the 3rd grade. But what is the correct answer? Right here we have 3 options, option A, B and C. So right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Let's check our school knowledge right here, and of course in the end of the video we will check our answers. It will be really great to check it, and of course I hope this will be like a correct answers. So as you can see, our question, our option, so choose one option. What do you think is a correct answer? So but before solving this, I want to start with this solution. So we have 10 minus 6 divided by 2. This is the most common solution I've ever seen. A lot of students solve it like that. They say, okay, here's our question. Let's go from left to right. We have 10 minus 6 equal to 4. We have 4. We still have this expression 4 divided by 2 minus 1. Let's go from the left hand side once more. So we have 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, and 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So one part of students solve it like that. This is like the most popular solution I ever seen, because they go from left to right and they don't care about order of operation. They didn't pay attention to this correct order of operation, and they say, okay, option A is a correct answer, because they solve this problem as they type it in from left to right and they don't care about order of operation. But in math, this is like a really important step to know about order of operation, because obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer. Right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. If we start from this subtraction, one answer, from another subtraction, another answer, from division, a completely different answer. But in math, we need to know one and only one correct answer. We cannot solve this question as 2 answers. Yeah, we need to know what is the correct answer. And for this question, we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And let's look at this PIMDMC. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to PIMDMC. And let's solve this question according to this order of operation. This is a correct math operation, order of operation, and I want to say I respect every order of operation. For example, BODMAS, doesn't matter if you apply BODMAS to this question, we will have the same answer as with PIMDMC right here, so it doesn't matter. BODMAS, PIMDMC, I choose PIMDMC for this question, okay? And let's solve this question not as right here as chaotically from subtraction to division and then subtraction. Let's solve this question correctly as with this order of operation, and we will check our answer. Maybe we'll have the same answer 1. Let's look at it. So we have 10 minus 6 divided by 2 and minus 1. So here's our question, and let's look at this PIMDMC order of operation. This PIMDMC order of operation works from the top to the bottom, and let's go through the steps real quick, okay? First step, parentheses. So let's look at it. I don't see any parentheses, we don't have any parentheses, which is really great, so we can easily skip this step, which is really good for us. Okay, we don't have any parentheses, it's really great. Let's go to the next step. The next step, exponents. What about exponents? Let's look at it. I didn't see any exponents, we don't have any squares, cube, as I told before, we don't have any exponents, and right here we don't have it, so we just skip this part. We just skip this part with exponents, because, for example, imagine you have 10 to the power 5, so you need to raise this, you need to spend time to this, but right here we don't have any of these steps, so we need to skip it, okay? Let's go to the next step. The next step, multiplication and division part. A lot of students do this mistake, they say, okay, multiplication, now we need to find multiplication signs at first, and then we need to multiply it first, but we need to look at it in perspective of a group, so multiplication and division, this is one common group right here. Let's look at it. What about multiplication and division sign? Right here, subtraction, we are not interested in this. Yeah, right here we have division, we are interested in this, but this division applies only to these 2 numbers. And in the end we have subtraction, so we don't have multiplication and we have division sign. And this is maybe the key moment right here, because we need to start from this division. Saying in other words, addition and subtraction is in the end, yeah? So addition and subtraction, we don't have addition right here, but we have subtraction sign. So we have only 2 steps from this PIMDMC. And if you look closely to the order, firstly division, then subtraction. Or saying in other words, multiplication and division is before addition and subtraction. All the time you need to do the thing with a multiplication and division sign and then addition and subtraction, okay? So we have 10 minus, right here we didn't touch this subtraction sign, minus, but 6 divided by 2, this is our first step. So 6 divided by 2 equal to 3, and we still have this minus 1. Okay, let's subtract. So we have 10 minus 3 minus 1 equal to 6. Okay, so we have our 6 right here. This is our answer. But really important moment, we don't have this option right here. It looks like that we don't have this option with answer 6. Yeah, we don't have it. And a lot of students do this common mistake. They go back to this answer 1 because they think, okay, this is correct, we have this option, which is absolutely correct. But to be honest, this is absolutely wrong solution. As I told before, we cannot subtract and then divide. This is a very big mistake, so we need to reject this step, and A is absolutely incorrect. Addition and subtraction is after multiplication and division, so this is absolutely wrong solution. What about this option B? 4, we don't have this option, we have 6, but this 3 factorial, if we look close, this 3 factorial equal to 1 times 2 times 3. From school you need to know that this is a product from 1 to 3, so we have 6. So it implies that right here 3 factorial, this is the same as 6, and 6 is the correct answer. As I told before, this is a correct order of operation, so this is option C, but this is like very tricky moment, and I hope you understand this. Yeah, this is our solution, so let's write our answer. Correct answer is option C is a correct answer. Saying in another word, this is 6 to this question, and 3 factorial, this is like tricky part of this question. So this is 6. So thank you for your time. I hope your answer is the same as mine. Write your thoughts in a comment about this question. What about your answer? What do you think about it? And I wish you all the best in your mathematical adventures. Thank you for your time and have a great day.